Hey, alright, this is my new house. Front door, back. Right, this is my little brother's room. The wheels. Right. Yeah, that's my room. What the hell? The fuck was that? The hell? It's nothing. Oh, I don't know what that was, but it's a bruised toe. Alright. Anyway, show my room now.